So let's learn Korean with world best Korean teacher 유진. 적응이 언제 돼? So we've learned consonants and vowels in Korean already. So are you ready to write and read Korean words and sentences which are written in Hangul, Korean alphabet? Are you sure? No. Actually, there are more to learn to write and read in Korean. We've learned consonants already. However, they sound a bit different when it's used in final position. Oh, it sounds really complicated, but it isn't. Once you get it, it's really easy. So, this time we learn final consonants. However, before we learn it, I'd like to check it before we learn it. This one. Well, as I told you before when I talk about Hangul, unlike Roman alphabet, which you write in a row as left to right, Hangul is written in a combination of syllable blocks, a form of syllable blocks, and there are three types of these syllable blocks. So these three combinations. So first, it's consonant and vowel. Like this. Remember, 그 sound and a. And it makes 그 a, 가, 가. 느, 너. 드, 에. 대. Or maybe vowels can be written under the consonant like this. 즈, 우, 주. 츠, 오, 초. 크, 으, 크. So you may think, hey Eugene, but what if there's just what if I want to make vowel sound like a? Well, do you know the number 5 in Korean? It's o. O. And isn't it just a vowel sound? Well, you're right. But however, we can't write vowels alone. We can't write it alone like this. A, o. When we want to write vowel sound, we have to put iung. Remember this circle? Yeah, in front of the vowel like this. A, o. So I think I told you when I teach you consonants, this iung has no sound usually, but when it is used in final position, it has certain sound. Well, we'll see it a little bit later. Yeah, so this one is number 1, just one combination of syllable blocks, and second combination of syllable blocks consist of consonant, vowel, and consonant. So it's like this: consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. 강, 너, 느, 널. Consonant, vowel, consonant. 드, 에, 댐. This one is like this: consonant, vowel, consonant. Also same: consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. And third combination is like this: consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. Like this: consonant, vowel, consonant, 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 vowel, consonant, consonant. Or like consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, like this: consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. However, in Korean, 2 consonants can be used in final position, but they have just one sound. And we learn it this time. Okay, see? So, I recommend you to try this combination because we've already consonant in initial position and vowels. So make a sheet like this. Can you see this? Yeah. So here's consonant and these are vowels. So make these combinations. 그, 아, 가, 그, 야, 갸, 그, 어, 겨, 거, 그, 여, 겨. Same with n sound. N, a, na, d, a, da. Yeah. I know I was too lazy to write all down. Yeah, but I mean, trying with this consonant and vowel combination, yeah, this is really useful. So, are you ready to learn final consonants? Are you ready to learn final consonants? So, these are 3 types of final consonants. Oh, I read your face. Your face says, what? Why is it so complicated? Well, I don't know the reason because I'm native speaker, so I just speak automatically. So, but don't worry, you have I know you said we're best Korean teacher, Eugene. So, okay, so let's look at this one first. Remember, 르, 르, 무, 으. These are for consonant. It keeps same sound value as the consonant. So, 느 sound, 산, 산. By the way, 산 means mountain in Korean. 산. 르 sound, 길, 길. 길 means road. Here is road to the mountain. 무 sound, 밤, 밤. 밤 means night. And 이응, I told you that 이응 has no sound value in initial position, but when it is used in final position, it has 응 sound. 응 as sing, song, ding dong. Yeah, this 응 sound. So 공, 공. 공 means the ball. You have to keep it in your mind. Like, okay, I'll talk a little bit later, sorry. So, these consonants, the sound neutralized to one sound, the same or different. You see? 그, 크, 끄. It has 그 sound, like this. 아, 아, 아. And these are 트, 트, 스, 스, 즈, 츠, 흐. Well, I'd rather write it like this. Sorry. 그 sound, 그 sound. And this one, they have two sound in final position, like at, 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 at. No matter whether they have hu sound, su sound, ch sound in final position, they just sound as two. Or these sounds neutralize to one sound, two. And p and p, they are neutralized to b sound, like up, up. But what you have to keep it in your mind is, when I explain this b and p, I told you that your mouth, once you shut your mouth and then open it like p. But when they are used in final position, your mouth doesn't open. Up, up. So when you sound, you may think these sounds a little bit like pop, K-pop. However, when you sound pop in English, your mouth has been open, But these final consonants, they never open your mouth. So it's not like ak, ad. It's ak, ak, ak. At, not at. Just at, at, at. Not up, up. No, not like this. Just up, up. So keep your mouth shut. That's very important. And these 13 consonants, I mean, in initial position, you can't write consonants, 2 or 3 consonants in a row. I mean, at the same time. However, in final position, you can write 2 consonants together. But they sound as just one sound. So, this one, the left consonant keeps sounds. However, only these 3 ones. The right consonant keeps sounds. So, you don't have to memorize all these consonants. However, you just memorize this. 르, 그, 르, 무, 르, 푸. Only these 3 consonants, double consonants, have the letter 1 keeps the sound. So, if you it's a, not arg, just a. Am. When it comes to this one, 사, 안. Like you sound just left one. So, finish! So you've learned your Korean alphabet. So next time, we learn how to make sentence. Isn't it exciting? So, okay, 수고하셨습니다. Bye!